In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a Discord channel. If you're getting pinged too often in one specific place, but still want to stay in the server, muting that channel is a quick, reversible way to bring some calm back to your notifications without missing out entirely. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where the noisy channel lives. You'll see the server list on the left, and once you click into the server, a list of channels in the middle. Look through that channel list for the one you want to silence. It'll look something like #general, #memes, or whatever the server has named it. Take a second to make sure you've got the right one, especially if the server has similar channel names. Muting affects only the channel you pick, so you can be as precise as you like. Next, right-click the channel name. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. And if you've remapped your mouse, use whatever action you normally use for a context menu. A small menu will pop up with several options that relate specifically to this channel. From that menu, click Mute Channel. This tells Discord you want to silence notifications from this one location without changing how the rest of the server behaves. You'll immediately be asked to choose how long you want it muted. This timing is helpful because you can tailor it to your situation. If you just need a short break during a meeting, pick 15 minutes. If you're settling in for a focused work session, 1 hour or 8 hours might be perfect. For a full day of quiet, choose 24 hours. And if you know this channel is consistently loud and you prefer it silent until you decide otherwise, select until I turn it back on. Once you choose a duration, the change takes effect right away. You won't receive new notification pings or badges from that channel for the time you selected, but you can still click in and read messages anytime. This is great for keeping your attention where you want it while still having the freedom to check in on your own schedule. If your needs change later, don't worry. Muting isn't permanent. You can come back to the same channel and adjust the mute duration again or turn it off entirely whenever you're ready. That way, you stay in control of your notifications without leaving the conversation. And that's it. You've just learned the simplest, most effective way to mute a Discord channel and keep your notifications manageable.